Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, second grade scientists. Welcome back to another edition of Life Science with Mrs. O'Leary, where today we'll talk about our very last task. We're researching habitats. Your task. For your final project, you'll choose one habitat to research. You'll use the information you find to create a poster showing your habitat and the animals and plants that can be found there. Use the information you found to write a paragraph describing your habitat. As you read about your habitat, describe the following. What characteristics make your habitat unique? Where can your habitat be found? What plants can be found in your habitat? What animals can be found in your habitat? And why are plants and animals that live there suited to their habitat? So in other words, why might I be able to find polar bears in the tundra, but not in a rainforest? What makes them suited to their particular habitat? Let's take a look at your sources of information. You can use additional sources, but these are the 3 links that I've included in It's Learning to help you. PebbleGo, Nat Geo Kids, and Epic Books. To access PebbleGo, click on the link in It's Learning. Once you're here, you'll click Sign In. The username is WPES, and the password is Pebble. They're listed in It's Learning as well. Click Go. Once you're at this screen, you'll click Science. Then select Earth and Space Sciences. Click on Earth Science, and then choose Ecosystems. These are your choices for your habitat. You can choose coral reefs, deserts, grasslands, temperate forest, tropical rainforest, tundra, or wetlands. To access Nat Geo Kids, click on the link in It's Learning. There's no login, but you will need to click on Search in order to find information about habitats. Click on Search and type habitats into the search bar. Then hit Enter or click the magnifying glass. Scroll down to the second option and click. Here you can find information about grassland habitats, polar habitats, temperate forest, mountains, deserts, freshwater, ocean, and rainforest habitats. Epic Books is a great resource to find additional information about your habitat. Once you've logged in and found your name, click in the search bar and type in the habitat that you're researching. So if I'm researching coral reefs, I can type that in, click Enter, or click the magnifying glass, and I find a lot of different information about coral reefs. Choose one of the books, or several of the books, to read for information about your habitat. So once again, for your final project, you'll choose one habitat to research. You will use the information you find to create a poster showing your habitat and the plants and animals that can be found there. Then, use the information you find to write a paragraph describing your habitat. You can create your poster on a piece of paper or make a poster on your computer. Make sure that you share the information that answers the questions below. Here's an example of what a poster might look like.